Children, one thing, what is given to us? Three solid spheres है मेरे पास, three of diameters 2, 12 and 16 centimeters. Fine children, and these three solid spheres are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the sphere, that resulting sphere. Okay, now see, we got three solid spheres and we got the diameters of every sphere ready. So I'll just take it this way. जो first diameter होगा, that is D1, that is 2 centimeter. Immediately I'll find the radius R1, which would be 1 centimeter. Fine children. Now the diameter of the second one, which is 12 centimeters. Therefore, the radius of the second one would be 6 centimeters. Fine. And the diameter of the third one, which is 16 centimeters. So therefore, radius for the third one will be 8 centimeters. Fine. Now, these three spheres are what melted. So whatever the liquid I'll get after melting those three spheres, वही liquid से एक बड़ा वाला sphere बना रहे हैं. Which means what? The liquid used to make the big one is the same what we get after melting these three spheres, which means दोनों cases में volume remains the same. Okay, so I'll just write it this way: volume of three spheres will be equal to volume of that single big sphere. So I'll write volume of big sphere. Fine children. Now we got three spheres, so I'll write the formula thrice. So 4 upon 3 pi R1 cube. Fine better. Now next 4 upon 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 upon 3 pi R3 cube. Correct? Volume of three spheres is equal to volume of that one big sphere. So that would be equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube. Fine children. Now I can clearly see 4 upon 3 pi is common in all the three. So I'll take that common. So I get 4 by 3 pi bracket. Here R1. So R1 is 1. So 1 cube is how much? I'll write 1. Next R2. R2 is what? 6. So 6 cube is 216. Plus R3, that is 8. And 8 cube is how much better? 512. So I'll be getting this much. That will be equal to 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube. Fine beta. Now 4 upon 3 pi and 4 upon 3 pi, both the sides they get cancelled. Okay. Now let us add this. So I'll be getting R cube is equal to, I'll add this. So 216 plus 1 is how much beta? 217 plus 512. So I'll add 512. So clearly I'll be getting at 729. Fine beta. So I'll write R cube is equal to 729, and if you remove the cube over there, I'll be getting cube root of 729. So cube root of 729 is how much? 9. So what is the radius of that new big sphere? That is 9 centimeter. Fine children. A good question. This might come for 3 marks probably, but I've explained it very nicely as always. Okay. For any other doubts or anything, you just have to message. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.